Hi, I'm Rachel Yatuzis, and I'm going to show you the best way to remove oil from concrete. If you've ever worked on your own car, or maybe your car started leaking something, usually everybody gets oil stains on their driveway or in the garage at some point or another. So, first you want to soak up the oil with some kitty litter. If you don't have kitty litter, baking soda, cornstarch will work. Kitty litter is so absorbent. I think it works the best. So you want to let it sit for about 20 minutes and let it really soak up the oil. Then sweep it up and you will be left with a stain. To get the stain out, you want to use something that is good at getting oil out. And in this case, usually dishwashing liquid is the best thing to remove oil. You see all these commercials, the best grease fighter, this and that. That's what you want to go for. Put some of this grease fighting dishwashing liquid onto the oil stain. Get a bucket of warm water if it's as cold as it is today in January. And just scrub it. Have some, shop rags ready to just wipe it up if somebody's going to be stepping in this area soon. If you need it dry, for some reason, if you need it dry really quickly, you want to go on and be able to wipe it up so nobody slips and hurts themselves. And don't be too picky about your driveway because it's going to happen, but sometimes they don't look too good. So if you feel like cleaning your floor in your garage or there's a really bad spot in your driveway, this is the way you do it. I'm Rachel Yatuzis, and that is how you clean oil from concrete.